What is up, guys? Welcome back to today's video. I've actually been driving the Evo around a lot lately. It's kind of become my daily at this point, and one of my HIDs actually gave out through this projector, and I've been driving around like a retard with my high beams on, and these are super bright yellow, so I'm always getting people, you know, throwing their highs at me, and it's just another reason to get pulled over from the cops. These type of cars already attract a lot of attention because they have like a big wing, they're super loud. So today I'm actually going to be replacing them with LEDs. The guys over at JDM Astar actually sent me these guys right here. They're LEDs. I've usually just ran HIDs in my cars. I've never actually heard of anyone running LEDs as headlights, but this looks to be like a male connector and it's like plug and play. So I'm gonna give these a try. I really want to compare the difference. Let me show you guys the HID. So one bulb actually gave out, my driver's side one did, and this is what I look like when I'm out on the street. Just one works and the other one doesn't. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and swap both of them out, but I do want to compare the difference from HID to that of LED first. So we're probably gonna start on this side. There's actually not a lot of room to access the bolt back here, so I do have to remove the front bumper, unbolt something from the fender, and then remove the headlight. That's what sucks about Evos, but it has to be done. Usually on the Eclipses you could just like put your hand back there and then it's an easy swap, but these are a little more complex. But I'm gonna show you guys the difference and just get the Evo running basically better than before, because I really don't want to be running around like this with my high beams on. So I'm gonna put you guys in a quick time lapse for the bumper removal and the headlight removal, and then once we get back we'll start removing the HIDs, the old ones, and then put in the new LEDs. So the bumper's off. To remove the headlight you have to take this bolt out, this bolt out. There's a bolt, I'm not sure if it's in here somewhere. I think it's right there. It's that bolt right there, and a bolt that bolts up to the fender. So it's just this one on the left. After that, you'll be able to pull the headlight out, and then we'll have access to the HID. So this is pretty much why my HID stopped working. It pretty much burst. As you can tell, it's like done for. So I unplugged everything. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the ballast from in there. So I fully removed the headlight. It makes it a lot easier for you guys to get in here. If you have HIDs, the ballast should be in here. These are aftermarket. This is from the previous owner and it looks like a mess, so I'm kind of glad that I'm getting rid of these, honestly. I'm just gonna clean this up and then we'll go ahead and hook up these LEDs. As you can tell, like, just the difference in like how much bulk that is, and then just like the simplicity of an LED. We now have power to the headlight. The high beams plugged in as well. This is the female connector that you're going to be plugging the LED to. This is a 9006 LED, or the equivalent. These are non-HID Evo GSR headlights. The MRs do come with HIDs and fog lights. For the GSR guys, you could buy aftermarket HIDs, but as you can tell, they don't last very long. Alright, so we're connected. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and turn on my lights, see if they turn on. Yep, they work. Damn, this is insane. Look how bright these are. That is crazy. You can see the difference from here to that. As you can tell, they are wider, so the output should be a lot better. I'm gonna put it into the projector here. See if I can fit my hand. There you go. And there you go. Wow. Sick. Alright, so at this point, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the headlight back in position. Basically show you guys the difference between the two, and then go on the other side and then switch out the old HID, and then just finish off the car. But so far I'm really happy with like how it's coming out. Alright guys, so I put the headlight back on. As you can tell, it looks really good. The light output is a lot better than the HID, and also you can tell that this one's a lot bluer. This one's an 8K rating and this one's a 6.5. So I went ahead and looked at the instructions, kind of see what they were about. These are actually waterproof. They're easy to fit. These are the NX9006 series LEDs, and they're powered by an internal IC driver, basically to maintain its efficiency and load. I'm just gonna go ahead and put you guys on a time lapse for this second one, and then once it's done, I'll put the bumper back on and then see how the car looks. Alright guys, as you guys can see, this thing is done and it's looking better than before. I finally have functioning headlights. I'm super happy with how they came out. They're a lot brighter. They're a little wider than before. Overall, the only way to really test them out is me driving them out during nighttime. As you can tell, it's daytime, so I won't really be able to do any type of a actual review on that portion, but I'm really happy how they came out. Again, huge thanks to JDM Astar for sending these out to me because I really needed them. I'm gonna put the link in the description if you guys are actually interested in these same ones. These will fit any, basically any Evo 8 or 9 GSR. Good replacement for HIDs, so that way you don't have all this wire and, you know, messy stuff, and they're super easy to replace. As you can see, it took me probably like 30 minutes at most. So alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the install video. Again, anyone can do it. It's super easy. If you guys would actually like to see more install videos on the Evo, let me know in the comments. I know I mainly do videos on DSMs and stuff like that, but once the Eclipse is done, I'm actually going to start focusing really heavily on the Evo itself. It's really basic as of right now, and there's so much stuff to do. Like, you guys won't believe how it's going to end up by the end of this build series. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Listen.